So remember back in November when EVGA kinda mistakenly lost a full truckload of GPUs? Well, it looks like these GPUs have turned back up from a Vietnamese retailer who is supposedly selling them at a relatively good price. Because hey, why not? You get something off the back of a truck, you think it'd be a little bit cheaper. Here's what looks like an ad posting for these stating EVGA RTX 3080 ties, new 100% full box. Not sure what the rest says, but 39.900K. Translation over to USD or Canadian value, I am not sure how that comes into play. But again, here is a whole bunch of boxes of EVGA GPUs ripe for the picking. So who knows how many people are actually buying. So this is a truly bizarre situation, considering that the seller is not a small local retailer. People purchasing those cards are in an even worse position because to them, they don't even know that they are buying stolen goods. Although they should return those cards to EVGA, it does not seem like they would risk losing both the money they paid for them and the chance to even get a GPU in general. Not to mention the absurd pricing for shipping the card abroad. So there we have it. This is just a very, very quick one. I thought it was quite funny that these stolen EVGA cards have turned up halfway across the world and now being resold for a decent value depending how the dollar amount does work out. But again, if you do have any of these or you attempt to look for them, if you do try registering them for any warranty purposes, those serial numbers will pop up in the system and ultimately, who knows what will happen after that? Who knows? No idea. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, bell notification. I'll see you guys on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.